رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبيه محمد سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his Prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Dear audience, I want to speak something on the topic of importance of English language for Dawah. Allah said in the Holy Quran, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا بِلِسَانِ قَوْمِهِ لِيُبَيِّنَ لَهُمْ فَيُضِلُّ اللَّهُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَيَهْدِي مَن يَشَاءُ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. We did not send any messengers but speaking in the language of his people, so that he might clearly convey the message to them. So Allah lets go astray whom he wills and lets find guidance whom he wills. And he is the mighty, the wise. Dear audience, language is a means of communication for people. From this viewpoint, every language has its own importance. It can be used to convey a message to the speakers of a particular language. But if any language secures international status, it grows more significant, since it will have a vast perspective for any activity to be carried out through that medium. In the recent age, we see that English language is spreading throughout the world. It has become internationally popular language. People around the world are not only accustomed to using the language, rather they feel proud of using it. They pay attentive ear and respect to look to those who speak English. So it is not only a medium of communication, rather it leaves a lot of effect and impact our people. On the other hand, English is the language of science and technology. The language of the major international media is English. The anti-Islamic elements spread many misconceptions about Islam and Muslims through this language. We should learn this language due to its importance. Therefore, no doubt, learning English is very useful and important for Dawah purpose. Rather, they feel proud of using it. They pay attentive and respect to look to those who speak English. Rather, it is not only allowed to learn this language, rather it is a kind of hikmah which Allah ordered to apply in the verse of the Quran. ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين. Islam allows using every lawful means. It doesn't forbid learning a language for good reasons, as no evil lies in a language. Rather, it is sunnah to learn Syriac language, to learn a new language to defend Islam and Muslims. The Prophet was reported to have asked Brother Zayd bin Sabit to learn Syriac language, as he didn't trust the Jews who used to communicate with him in this very language. Here I conclude my words. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.